First off, my brows, with my usual routine. Then it was on to the makeup. It's not easy to translate a Barbie's makeup from an actual doll to an actual person, let alone choosing between millions. So I went with something that was basically just out there and funky. Placing my white cream base down and blending that out with the heat of my fingers as per usual. Using a very light pink as my transition shade. And then a deeper one just packed onto the lid. Then blending that out into a wing. For the liner, I'm doing a cat eye out. And a small line towards the inner corner as well. White liner on the bottom lash line to give the doll-like appearance of having just bigger eyes. And further carrying the original black liner down. And into its own wing. The two wings will not be connected, as I will be connecting the bottom lash lines white to in between those two. So now we technically have 3 wings. Mascara to my top and bottom lashes, followed up with some single lashes to give even more of an appearance of a doll-like face to the bottom lash row. I did cut these down ever so slightly. I maybe cut like, I don't know, a couple centimeters off of each. Then choosing between 2 blushes. Obviously going to be the more intense one. And because I thought the eyes said it all and cheeks were an added bonus, I thought I would go easy on the lips. The setup for this box will be in another video, as well as how I made the entire frame and made the costumes, as yes, I did alter these costumes from already existing pieces to make my own entire Barbie wardrobe. But here are some bloopers anyways. Hope you guys like this shorter video, but I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys. I'm sorry, Beckett, I'm not playing with you. I ain't playing with you, boy.
Do whatever. I'll just sit over here. Okay.
Let it go all the way down until it either touches the floor or goes out. Yeah.
Today's episode of the Sara Show, she will be performing Barbie. Take it away.
Now I'm done.
Oh my god. I don't like heels when I have to stay in a certain position. I'm really trying to fucking do this. It's really not fucking working. It's because she's got intense bangs and I do not. I was looking for my Chrissy bangs and then I'm like, I don't think those will.
Chrissy, wake up.
I couldn't find them, they were sleeping. No! They're falling off as I speak. Ah! I don't know how Taylor Swift does it. Fucking like fast change.
She's also got
What?
lots of people.
Fine, yeah.